It's luxury living with a low-maintenance lifestyle in an active adult community. President Justin Bauer and new home specialist Andy Fagervik of Epcon Communities and Clarity Construction are here now to talk about their locations. It was so fun visiting your community just about a month or so ago. Tell us about your three different communities that you have right now with a quick move-in.
So the one we were at a month ago is Windsor and Johnston. That's our newest community. Then we also have one in Waukee that is by just north of Northwest High School in Waukee and Triumph Park. And then our third one is in Ankeny at Harvest Ridge. And
I was just amazed at just how active of a lifestyle you could live while living there.
Right. It's all about community with us and a lifestyle. And the homes are beautiful, but we're really selling a lifestyle. And that common clubhouse, common pool, those amenities really help bring that together.
Okay, you have quick move-in home options. What does that mean?
So those are homes that are done right now. You can move in tomorrow. Ironically enough, we've sold 3 in the last 2 weeks. So there's definitely a move to be buying these homes, and it's something that you don't have to go. We do offer built-to-orders where you can choose everything in there, but these are ready today.
Okay, and we're seeing some video of the different floor plans. Talk to us about the different floor plan options and how people can really choose the one that benefits them.
Yeah, these plans have been developed through Epcon Corporate, which is out of Columbus, Ohio, over the years, and they've been doing this for over 30 years. So these plans have been evolved. We actually had one in Texas from another franchisee that we just built. That's the Casina, which is also in that Windsor development, and we just had a grand opening there a couple weeks ago. But there are several plans that meet all types of different wants and needs.
I could just watch this video all day
Yes.
to see the homes. And you talked about the low maintenance lifestyle offerings. Well, what does that mean?
Yeah, absolutely. So at Epcon, we like to focus on life improvement. And one of the ways that we can improve lives is taking some of the to-do lists off their plate. So instead of having to carve out some time to mow the yard, shovel the snow, they can now focus on spending more time with their family, with their friends, maybe go up to the clubhouse facility, join in one of the parties or card groups or coffee groups that's going on up there. Really just gives them more time to do what they want. So yeah, yard mowing, irrigation, snow removal, all that's taken care of for them.
And lock and leave. That's a lock and leave lifestyle.
Absolutely. Folks might feel a little bit more comfortable locking and leaving, especially if it's during the summer months. They don't have to worry about that grass getting too long, or and if it's snowy winter, they don't have to worry about shoveling that driveway while they're gone. But also just being a part of that sense of community, having those neighbors around makes people a little bit more comfortable leaving for extended periods of time.
Yeah, everyone's kind of watching out for you. Talk to us about the upcoming events, because people can check this out for themselves.
So we have a grand opening event on one of our models in Harvest Ridge on November 17th. So we invite everybody to come out and look at that one. That's our portico plan. Nationwide, that is our best-selling plan statistically. So yeah, come on out and take a look.
Why is that one your best-selling, do you think?
Well, just it's got the side courtyard. So we have a P series and R series. So the P series have courtyards on the side. R series are on the back. This is a P series, so the courtyard is on the side. And our plans, the P series, really focus on bringing that courtyard in as part of the home. So as you stand in the kitchen, the great room, the dinette, that courtyard is right there, and it seems as part of the house, even though it's outside.
Okay, well, it looks beautiful. Thank you both so much for being here to share this with us. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
And you can learn more. Just go online to clarityconstruction.com or call 515-599-5933. They have locations in Ankeny, Johnston, and Waukee, and you can see more on social media.